morning, sir.
Good morning. So can I share with you? So tell me about yourself.
Hello, sir. This is Rachit, and I completed my BTech in CSC and in DIT, Chennai. And I'm from Hyderabad, and my skill sets are R language, NumPy, Pandas, Python, and Power BI.
Shall I start the interview?
Yes, sir.
What is the Pandas?
Pandas is a library which is used for data manipulation and creation, and also for data cleaning, and it is a part of Python.
Okay. What are the main methods available in Pandas to generate the data?
There are two main methods available in Pandas. They are series and data frame.
So what is the series method?
Series method is the creation of single column, but with indexes.
And what is the data frame?
Data frame, we can create multiple columns and multiple rows at a time.
Okay. So what is the describe method in Pandas?
Describe method is used for knowing the standard deviation and mean, and the minimum value and maximum value of the data frame.
Okay. So what is the info method?
Info method is used to know the columns data type, and columns how many numbers of columns present in the data frame.
So how to remove the duplicates in the data set?
Using underscore duplicate, we can remove the duplicates. So, and also we can use by group by method to check the duplicates and remove it later.
Okay. So how to rename the column?
Using the rename method, we can rename the column, mentioning the data frame dot rename, we can rename the column.
So how to identify the null values inside the data frame? Null values.
There are three methods to identify or to manipulate. First is fill NA and replace method, and also.
So I am asking how to identify the null values, not remove the values. Null values. Is null and is null.
Is null, we can use the is null, and also is NA.
So how to remove the duplicates? Delete the elements.
To remove, there are three methods. One is drop NA and fill NA and replace method.
So how to calculate the mean in the particular column?
To calculate the mean, we can use the mean method.
So what is the difference between the all and any methods? So how to read the data set in the Pandas?
Using read CSV, we can read the CSV file.
So can it possible to convert it the CSV to Excel?
Yes, we can convert using to Excel, and giving the Excel.
So can it possible to connect with Pandas through database?
Yes, we can connect any SQL database using Pandas, and we can also manipulate the data using.
Once you read the data set, okay. So the data set, it is check that it is healthy or not. How to check the healthy data set or not?
Using describe, we can check all the values.
So I have a one character column. Okay, I have one character column. So that column have a so only 3-4 values are repeated. So how to identify that 3 values?
Using value counts, we can see the number of times the value is repeated, and we can check the data.
So in numeric column, so we are replacing it with the mean value. So what about the character columns? We have to replace the values.
Using value counts, we'll check the most repeated value, and we'll replace that into the character column.
So in Pandas, how to generate the custom index? So how to add the column inside of the Pandas?
using the column name and equals to the values. First the data frame, then the column name, then equal to the values, then the column will be inserted.
So in basic Python, you know that list. What is the list?
This list it is used with closed brackets, which consists of values in it.
What is the set method?
Set using set or also flower brackets we can.
Okay, so suppose we have a list, you have it some duplicates. How to delete the duplicates? What is the dictionary?
Dictionary it consists of key and values, in which we can retrieve the values using the keys.
Okay, my side is done. So you have any questions?
What is I missed some, sir. Can you explain?
Okay, so how to so you are missing what na? So what is the how to we have list.
List.
So we have some values. How to delete the duplicates? How to remove the duplicates? Means the list you can pass with the set. Okay, set does not allow the duplicates na. Okay, so again in your list na list of set of you can pass the list to remove the duplicates. That is the one. So same way in pandas also. Okay, some questions are missing. So how to drop the elements, how to replace, how to this. So once you can practice more and you will get the results. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.